Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Here's your washer fluid reservoir, and here's your washer pumps down here. Right there and right there. There is some fluid in our reservoir right now, so we're going to put a pan underneath to catch the fluid when we pull the pump out. So we're going to grab on the pump, just pull it slightly forward and then up, and the fluid's going to come out. All right, so this plastic retainer right here has to be twisted. So if you hold the hose and the pump and then take this little plastic piece, twist it, and that will unlock it, and you can take the pump out. See, there's little locks in there. Twist it back, you can see the locks come in, and then I'll unlock it again. So to disconnect the electrical connector here, there's a little tab right here. You're going to push down on that and pull out. If it's difficult, you can use a screwdriver. Get in there, just lightly pry up on it until it clicks. You can pull it out. There's the connector. There's the little lock. Sometimes it's hard to push with your fingers, so if you use a little screwdriver and not pry it too hard, you don't want to break it. So, and the other pump would be the same process. Now we're going to reconnect the electrical connector. And then we're going to grab our hose. We're going to rotate this so it locks. And we're going to push this on until it clicks, like that. I'll take the inboard motor, line it up with the hole, push it down, make sure it's all the way down, and that's all set. Now we're going to take our brand new washer fluid and fill up the washer reservoir. You want to make sure you use new washer fluid or strain out the old washer fluid. When you're done, just put the cap on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.